see how to repair a clamshell break in your windshield. Okay, now we're going to do a repair on a clamshell. And a clamshell is just like the reverse of a clamshell, but it's in the glass this way, like a clam would leave in the sand. So now that's knocked out of the glass. Most cases, the clamshell doesn't affect the windshield as far as cracking out or anything, but it is unsightly, it's a dip in the glass, and it can mess up your wiper blades. So what you do with this one, instead of drilling directly in, you want to color in the clamshelled part. So you're going to take your drill, ever so easy, coloring that in. Now that you've roughed up all the glass on that surface, you'll take just some regular resin, you'll dab this on, take some pit resin, apply your patch, make sure that you're getting out all of the air bubbles so there's mostly pit resin that's just sitting there on the glass. After this cures, you will scrape it off with your razor blade. And now you have a smooth surface across the glass. Just wipe it down and polish out and you'll be done.